Welcome students in my maths class. Today we will take the chapter exponents. Before starting, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share. As you have studied in the junior class that 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 3 to the power 5 means 3 is the base and 5 is the exponent or index. Is it clear? 3 is called the base and 5 is called the exponent or index. So, how will you read this? You 3 raised to the power 5 or 3 to the power 5. Is it clear? You will read as 3 raised to the power 5 or 3 to the power 5. Is it clear? Now one thing, in the junior classes you have studied about only the positive power, but here we will discuss about the negative power. For negative power, okay, a raised to the power minus n means 1 upon a to the power n. It will change into positive. Here we have to change the negative into positive. Is it clear? When you will reciprocal, the negative will change into positive. The power will change. Is it clear? For example, 5 raised to the power minus 3. So, how you will change? 1 upon 5 raised to the power 3. It will become. Means 1 upon 125. Means 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. So, you have to change your negative power into positive power. Let us take another example. Minus 3 raised to the power minus 4. So, how will you change this negative into positive? Just reciprocal it. Means 1 upon minus 3 raised to the power 4. It will become. Okay? Let us take one more example. 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 5 means 2 raised to the power 5 means is equal to 30. Is it clear? Okay. Now, for fractional indices, how it is very important. Please note it clearly. For fractional indices, n root a means a to the power 1 by n and n root a to the power m means a raised to the power m the whole 1 by n is equal to a raised to the power m by n. Is it clear? Okay. For example, root 3 means 3 raised to the power 1 by 2. Take another example. 3 root 8 means 8 raised to the power 1 by 3. Okay, is it clear? 4 root 5 to the power 3 means 5 raised to the power 3 by 4. And one more point, it is very important for 0 power. A raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. It will always be 1 when there is a raised to the power 0. Is it clear? Let us take one example. 7 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Another example, minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 0 will become 1. Means anything that power is 0, it will become 1. One more example. Root 7 raised to the power 0 will be 1. Very simple. Okay. Now there are some laws of exponents. You have to know these laws clearly. First law, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. It will become a raised to the power m plus n. Means if there are same base, a is also here and the a is also here means same base. So power will be added, means m plus n. Let us see this by example. 6 raised to the minus 4 into 6 raised to the power minus 3. So power will be added. Bases are same. So 6 minus 4 plus minus 3 is there. So minus 3. First we will put in the bracket so that no confusion will be there. Okay. Minus 4 plus minus 3. So minus 4 and minus 3 is minus 7. Now this you have to change into positive. So just reciprocal it. 1 upon 6 raised to the power 7. It will become positive. Is it clear? But the second law, a raised to the power m divided a raised to the power n. Bases are same. Powers are different. So power will subtract here. Means a raised to the power m minus n it will become. Let us see through example. 6 raised to the power minus 2 divided 6 raised to the power 3. What will you do? Just you have to subtract the power. Bases are same. So 6 minus 2 minus 3. So 6 raised to the power minus 5 it will become. Is it clear? Now again you will change into positive. Okay. 1 by 6 raised to the power 5. Is it clear? Now we will move to the third law. Okay. What is the third law? A raised to the power m into b raised to the power m. See clearly here, bases are different but the powers are same. Okay, here it is a and here the base is b, but the powers m also here, m also here. So what you do? A into b you will take as a whole raised to the power m. Is it clear? Let us see through example. Minus 4 raised to the power minus 3 into minus 5 raised to the power minus 3. Okay. See, powers are same, minus 3, but the bases are different. So, A into B means minus 4 into minus 5 and minus raised to the power minus 3. Okay. Minus into minus plus. Okay, 4 5s are 20. Minus into minus plus. 4 5s are 20. Raised to the power minus 3 means 20 raised to the power minus 3. Again you will change into positive. So what will you do? Just reciprocal it means 1 upon 20 raised to the power 3. This minus will change into positive. Is it clear? Now the fourth law. What is the fourth law? A raised to the power m divided b raised to the power m. Again, powers are same. So, what will you do? A divided b raised to the power m. Means powers are the same, but the bases are different. Means a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m. M will go with both a and b. Means you can write like this also. A by b raised to the power m. Now let us take one example. I have taken 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 2. Is it clear? How will you do? So 2 raised to the power minus 2 will come over here, and again the powers are for both. So 3 raised to the power minus 2. Is it clear? See clearly over here. Are you following, students? Okay, very good. So now you will reciprocal it. Means 3 will go up and this will come down. Means 3 raised to the power 2 upon 2 raised to the power 2. You will change into positive. See clearly here what I have done. So 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. Is it clear, the fourth law? Okay. Let us move to the fifth law. a raised to the power m to the whole n. Okay, what will you do? A means raised to the power m into n. Let us take one complicated example. I have taken here a difficult example. 4 raised to the power 2 as a whole raised to the power minus 3. So you know that this will multiply 2 into minus 3. Okay, so 4 raised to the power 2 into minus 3 means 4 raised to the power minus 6. 2 3s are 6. Minus 6. So we will change into positive means 1 by 4 raised to the power 6. Is it clear? Let us take some example. Okay, simplify. I have taken one example here. 2 raised to the power 4 as a whole raised to the power 3 into 2 into 3 raised to the power 0. See, how will you solve this? Through the laws. 2 means 4 into 3 it will become. So 4 3s are 12 into, here means power is 1. So we will just write 1. 2 raised to the power 1. And 3 raised to the power 0 means anything is raised to 0 means is equal to 1. So it will become 1. So 2 raised to the power 12 plus 1 means 2 raised to the power 13 it will become. Powers are added. Okay. Now another example. 2 raised to the power minus 4 as a whole raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power minus 5 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 6. So how will you simplify this? See here. 2 minus 4 into 2 means minus 8 into, okay, now 2 raised to the power minus 5 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 6. Again the powers will add here, same base 2 into 2, same base is there, power you will have to add. So 2 minus 8 plus minus 5. So power you have to add, divided again 2 minus 6. So you add now minus 8 plus and minus 5. So minus 8 plus into minus will become minus 5 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 6. So 2 raised to the power minus 13 minus minus sign will come 8 plus 5 13 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 6 means again you will reciprocate. So you have to change into positive. This will go up and this will come down. It will become positive means 2 raised to the power 6 upon 2 raised to the power 13. Clear? So see again what will you do? Just minus 2 raised to the power 6 minus 13. Both the 2 over here and 2 means bases are same. Then you have to minus it. So 2 raised to the power minus 7 it will become, minus sign is greater. So 1 upon 2 raised to the power 7 means 1 upon 128. Is it clear? Okay. Practice more.